Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. In this video we will talk about Endotech. And Endotech is a company that provides AI and algo trading content to institutional and accredited investors, right? And accredited investors are high net worth individuals that have more than $1 million, right? So far, this opportunity is only available to a selected group of investors, and the entry level is $125. And in 2 weeks from now, a bit more than 2 weeks from now, they will open doors to retail investors. And this will happen through a project that is called d.ai.sy. And we will talk about d.ai.sy in our future videos. But in this video, we would like to cover the underlying technology that is delivered by Endotech. And we are on the official website of Endotech, which is endotech.io, right? Very easy to memorize, very easy to find. So this is the official homepage. Um, and you will see here what the company is basically offering and what the vision of the company is. So they claim to be believers of the efficiency of automated trading, and they aim to help customers to enjoy its benefits. And as I said, today they only serve um, yeah, institutional investors and accredited investors. And what they offer is AI trading through an API connection. So they would connect to the exchange account of their customers, and perform trading using the API keys. And those are the exchanges they would collaborate with. So you can basically set up a Binance account, add some funds to the future account, and then connect yourself with Endotech so they can carry out trades on your exchange. So the money remains in your possession. No one has access to your funds. They just get an authorization to perform trades on your behalf, right? And this is the team behind Endotech. So we have the two co-founders. We have Dr. Anna Becker and we have Dmitry Gushin. Both are based in Israel, and we can have a look at their LinkedIn profiles. Let me just have a look at Anna Becker's profile. So she has a strong background of AI. She has a degree from a university which is called the Israel Institute of Technology, right? And she actually graduated with 16 years. That's what they say. Uh, yeah, and this is, by the way, their own blog. You can find the blog here on their homepage. And yeah, I mean, a lot of media is actually covering Endotech, and yeah, some of the biggest influencers in the AI space, like this gentleman here. His name is Imtiaz Adam, right? So he is a big artificial intelligence um, supporter or influencer, let's say. And he mentioned Anna in some of his publications, right? So he was inspired by the work of the brilliant Dr. Anna Becker, who started her degree at the age of 16 and her postgraduate studies at 19 before going to build and run an AI company, right? And yeah, she is the founder. She was a founder of a couple of companies in the past, but since 2012, she is leading the efforts in Endotech, right? So and yeah, we can have a look at some of the statistics that is mentioned on the website. And well, as I said, the company was founded in 12, but this AI algorithm is running for 1,002 days, right? and they have analyzed 2 terabyte of data to perform those AI driven strategies. Um, so, and yeah, I mean, you can read the statistics on your own. And yeah, this is how many assets they have monitored so far. This is how many markets they have monitored so far. And this is basically what they offer, right? And we will have a look at the portfolios that they would yeah, offer to their customers. We have 6 different portfolios, as you can see here. We have alpha uh, version 1.6 majors. We have beta version 1.6 majors. We have alpha version 1.4 top 10. We have beta version 1.4 top 10. And we have alpha Bitcoin leverage. So this is a trading with a leverage of 10. And we have alpha Ethereum leverage 10. And we will have a look at some of the details, so we can yeah, we can check the performance of this alpha 1.6 majors and see how they have done in the past. So this strategy started. Where is the data here? So this strategy started back in January 19, and this one would be doing. They would do long and short positions, right? Based on the possible breakout. So the alpha strategy is doing long and short positions. Beta would only do long positions, right? So this is the recommended capital, and well, as I said, the minimum investment value in this company is 125,000 for the institutional investors, and they would recommend to split up your investment to all those 6 portfolios. And what they recommend to place here is 20,000 US dollars. And yeah, this is their performance so far. So the annual return, the extrapolated annual return will be 274%. Well, this sounds very high, right? But they also have portfolios with a lower performance. So it's always good to differentiate, you know, and enter all the 6 portfolios. So you differentiate and mitigate your risk, basically. So we can have a look what the performance was back in 19. So let me start with January and go back to, let's say, December and hit calculate. So if you invested back in 19 and you invested 20,000 USDT, that would be your yeah, your final balance. Okay. So and yeah, we can also verify the history, you know, and see what trades they have entered over the period, over the history, over the lifetime of yeah, of that portfolio. And yeah, everything can be verified here. So and you will also see that they have negative trades, right? They have um, yeah, they have bad trades, let's say, as you can see here, winning months 15, losing months 7, right? And this is basically what the real trading is all about. I mean, you can win, you can lose, and whenever companies offer you a no loss, uh, yeah, a no loss portfolio, like 0.7, 0.8% daily over the next 6 months, you know, with no loss months. This is not real trading, right? And yeah, I mean, winning months more than losing months, which which is good, right? I mean, you see the performance here. P&L, this is profit and loss, and then this is the market cap down below. We can have a look at the beta portfolio as well. So that has been delivering 189%. Let's see what it was in 19. Um, yeah, 1st of January, and then we go to December. Okay, so that would have given you 108% last year. Okay, yeah, beta is only doing long positions, right? And we can have a look at the history. They only do long positions on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you can see here, for example, that's a long position. So they bought Bitcoin at 19,000 and they sold Bitcoin at 18 something. That was not a good idea, as you might figure. You know, this is a loss, but they also have profitable trades, right? Um, yeah, as I said, they can have winning trades, they can have losing trades, but this is what real trading is all about. Okay. Um, yeah, you can have a look. I mean, this leveraged portfolios are, I mean, currently they are very attractive, right? Because Bitcoin is pumping, and I mean, you can see those crazy returns, like 2000%. But yeah, I mean, and we can have a look at what it was. Oh, it's a new portfolio. Yeah, it started in September. Yeah, this is a high risk. This is a high risk portfolio. That's why the recommendation is only $10,000. And yeah, this is long positions with leverage. And you guys know what happened to Bitcoin in the last, I don't know, 30, 40 days. It was pumping. And if you add leverage to that, I mean, what leverage basically means is that your capital will grow 10 times faster than the actual growth, right? But on the flip side, it will also drop 10 times faster, right? So this is the risk you have with a leveraged portfolio, okay? So yeah, this is basically what Endotech is all about, and you can have different subscriptions here: Pro, VIP, institutional, and yeah, currently only institutional investors can get in, and yeah, beginning 15th of December, we get a chance to get in. So retail investors will get a chance to get in through a project called d.ai.sy, and we actually already uh, published an article on d.ai.sy and what it will be. So that will be a combination of a crowdfunding project and yeah, and passive income through trading, and you can start as low as $100, right? And this will be based on a Tron smart contract, so fully automated. So all the commissions will be instant. You know, everything will be automated, and yeah, we will publish more content on d.ai.sy in the next couple of weeks. We still have, yeah, more than 2 weeks to go, a bit more than 2 weeks to go. And yeah, we will publish all the information we will be able to secure. And there will be also meetings with Anna Becker and the team. And we will keep you posted on this one. If you want to stay updated, join our Telegram group. You will find the link down below. And yeah, this way you make sure you don't miss anything. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed and have a great day. Bye.